My name is Jon Carmichael, and today I'm installing slider motors on a slider chest. And what we want to do is we want to line it up. Now in this instance, these motors will push close and pull open. So what I will do is have the holes that are in the slider match up the holes that are in the chest. Put the little clip in here that attaches the motor to the slider. And then with the motor in the open position, line up the hole. Make sure it's even. Screw it in place. And then I will adjust this back knob so that when it's in the closed position, it's fully covering the hole and not allowing any air out. That's how you install a slider motor on a slider chest. Thank you.